In this video, I will show you how to create discount codes in Hostinger website builder. This is my store manager page in Hostinger website builder, and to create a discount code, just click on discounts, then click on add discount button. You can select your discount type from a percentage or a fixed amount. Let's go with a percentage. First, create your discount code, for example, Black Friday 50. You can use a discount name that is only shown to you, not your clients. For example, Black Friday campaign. Now fill in your discount percentage. For example, since this code is 50, your discount percentage should also be 50. You can apply this discount code to all products on your store or just for specific categories. If you want to go with some specific categories, click on add category and select the categories just like that. You can give your discount code conditions like limit the total number of uses for this discount. Let's go with 100. Or set a minimum purchase amount for entire cart, for example, over $50. Now give your discount code a start date, just like that. Then you can set an end date or not, it's optional. Now click on save. As you can see, a discount code was added successfully. And this is how to add a discount code in Hostinger website builder.